Hello everybody, Steve here, and today let's try another little brass padlock from my collection here. Again, another one. Been kind of fun to have this one I did yesterday, so let's try this one today. Let's let's zoom in on this one, this guy. Okay, this is a Millarco. Looks like nice little brass padlock. It does say hardened on the top. It does have a key. Kind of a little dirty, but a little stiff, but that's okay. So there's the key, and this is a, looks like this is 2 inches or 50 millimeters, and it is nice little brass padlock. And of course you just saw me work it. It is still works great, and just a little stiff. So anyway, let's for this guy, let's use just our Z-bar tension wrench in the bottom of the keyway. Look at all that room I have down there in that keyway. So let's use the bottom of the keyway this time. And for a lock pick, we'll use a little multi-pick, 0.6 millimeter. It's the PN06 little short hook. So let's do that one today. And let's get that in there better. There we go. Okay, so let's try just working pin 1 going backwards, and I did count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins on this guy. So work to pin 1. Nothing really on pin 1. Pin 2. Feels like it's, there we go. There's a click out of pin 2. Pin 3. Nothing can work under that. Feels like it's ready to be set. There we go. Now it's a click there. Pin 4. Nothing. Pin 5. Nothing. Back to pin 1. Okay, this feels like it's gonna click. I can't get it to do anything. Let's go to pin 2, 3. There's a nice click there. Pin 4, work under that one. Lift that up. There we go. That did it. So there we go. Nice little 50 millimeter brass padlock picked open, and that's all I have for you today. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you leave comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. And definitely do enjoy having brass padlocks. So maybe I should get more from my collection. I need to get through some of these ones I haven't done yet. But anyway, there we go. 50 millimeter Millarco picked open. And thank you very much for watching, and make sure you have a wonderful day.